Those sheep look delicious. Bah! Help!
Wait a minute! Where's Sean? That sneak wolf! He's going to regret this! I'm gonna get that wolf and rescue Sean! All right, wolf! Come out and face me! He can't hide from me!
Quiet, sheep! You're my dinner now!
Let Sean go, wolf!
Never.
He's mine!
Get this thing off me!
It's okay, Sean. You're safe now.
Thank you, Monkey.
You're going to learn a lesson, wolf!
Sean's back, everyone! I'm sorry, sheep. I won't do it again.
It's okay, Wolf. Just don't do it again.
I hope you learned your lesson, Wolf.
I did, Monkey. Thank you.
I'll never forget this.
Everyone okay here?
Thanks for always being so reliable, Daisy.
You're getting fat, Clucky.
Cluck!
You're so lazy, Percy. Oink.
This is my home, and I'm proud of it.
Another beautiful day on the farm.
Grow big and strong, little ones.
Here you go, my feathered friends. Breakfast time! Almost. There. Just a few more nails. Easy now, Bessie. Just a little bit more. Such lovely eggs. Breakfast is going to be delicious. Time to grow something new. That should keep the crows away. Gotta make sure the soil is ready. Look at these beautiful tomatoes. Dig in, you hungry little piggers. Gotta keep the rain out. Someone's gotta do it.
such a good boy.
Gotta make sure everyone has enough space. Everything seems to be in order. Just a little trim here and there.
Gotta keep the water clean for you little guys. Almost there. Just need to tighten this bolt. Nature's fertilizer. Sweet reward. Gotta get ready for the cold. Stay warm and cozy, everyone. Another day well spent. What's he up to now? He won't get past these. Let's see if he's gotten smarter. Hey! Hey! Let's see if he's gotten... Almost there. Almost there. Not again. I thought you learned your lesson. Please, I'll help you with the farm if you let me go.
We can speed this up. Watch my move.
All right, let's see. Wow, that is fast. You make a great team. Almost there. And with a slight adjustment, perfect. Well done, farmer.
We did it! Look at these grapes, Foxy. We hit the jackpot.
Indeed, farmer. This harvest is truly exceptional. Look at all this, Foxy. I've never seen the tree so full. It's magnificent. You certainly outdid yourself this.
Wow, this is the best harvest ever. Look at these apples.
Indeed. It seems my assistance has paid off handsomely. Freshest apples in the whole county. Guaranteed sweet. And look at these carrots. Straight from the farm this morning. Get yours now.
That'll be 3 coins. Thank you very much.
Don't be shy. We have the ripest mangoes you'll ever taste. Look at all this. We actually did it. I told you, my friend. We have more than enough. Look at all this gold. We're rich. Yes, much more than before, friend.
Time to collect some eggs. Hello? Anyone home? Wow, so many treasures. So smooth and round. market. The freshest, straight from the farm.
Fresh eggs, best in the market. Here you go. Thank you very much. Come again soon.
Look what I found, Farmer Brown. We're rich.
Well, I'll be. Good job, mister. Simply wonderful. Gonna build the best farm ever. All right, time to get to work. Ugh, these are heavier than they look.
Looks like someone needs some help.
Almost there. Ta-da! One chicken coop ready to go.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. This is the best coop ever.
Next up, a cozy home for Penelope. Now for Clarabelle's new home. Almost ready for you, Penelope.
This is heavy.
Just a few more nails. Ooh, this is so relaxing. Are you building something for me?
Let me help you, little one. Almost there, Clarabelle. Just a little bit more.
This might be the trickiest part. Ooh, it's beautiful. Thank you. This is a very nice home. You did a wonderful job. Hooray for our new farm.
Coming right up. Hooray, my favorite.
Strawberry swirl. It looks delicious. I can't wait for my turn. You're coming too. Save some for us. This is so good.
The perfect treat for a sunny day.
I agree completely.
Milo is trapped in the ravine. We have to help him. It's too steep to climb down.
I know. We can use vines to make a rope. Let's hurry.
Careful, make it strong. It's ready. Easy now.
We got him.
Here, drink this.
Here, have an acorn. It'll give you energy. Thank you all so much. I don't know what I would have done without you. Let's go home. Welcome to my home. Goodbye, friends. See you soon. Time to plant some young trees. Grow big and strong, little ones. Look at them go! Where did all the grapes go? I'll catch whoever's stealing my fruit.
Father, so you're the one stealing my fruit. I'm sorry, I was just so hungry. I'll let you go, but don't do it again.
Time to gather the harvest. Almost ready for the market. These are the best pumpkins in the valley. Almost to the market.
Fresh fruit for everyone.
These look delicious. Thank you for your purchase.
Taste great. Such fresh fruit. Step right up, best prices in town. I'll take 3 of those giant apples, please, and 1 of the watermelons. A successful day. A successful day. Look at this. I told you this would be a gold mine. We did it, everyone. Time to expand. That was delicious, but maybe I shouldn't have.
Where did all the corn go?
Footprints, and they smell like pig? Pig? That sneaky pig! I'll get him! Tonight, the thief will be caught. More corn! I need more corn! Here I come, corn! Oink! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! So, it was you stealing my corn!
I'm sorry. I was just so hungry.
Hello, police? I have a thief here.
All right, Fuzzy. We received word about excessive noise and unauthorized livestock operation.
Are you responsible? He stole my corn, officer. I caught him red-handed.
You're under arrest for theft.
Good riddance. Can't be too careful.
Don't even think about it.
Oh my, a big storm is coming.
Gotta get everything tied down. These trees need extra support. Hope this holds up. Come on, Bessie! Everyone inside! That's right, into the barn you go. Easy now, little ones. Safe and sound. in here. Hope the animals are okay. Well now, look at you, safe and sound. That storm passed right on by.
have been worse.
Well, shucks. All right, everyone, let's figure out how to clear this mess. Time to get this place fixed up. That ought to hold it.
All right now,
Push it on over. Y'all are doing great. Keep it up. All right, ladies, breakfast is served. Eat up now, y'all hear?
all right, everyone, gather round now. We got a big day ahead of us down at the South Pasture. Let's get a move on.
Another day's work done right. All right, let's get to work. Woohoo! Check it out, the first scoop of the day. All right, time to dig in. This hole isn't gonna dig itself, you know?
Wow, look at them splash! The colors are amazing! This is gonna be fun!
They look so happy swimming around in there. Makes all the hard work worth it. And there you have it, the best little farm in the valley. Well, that's another day done. Look at that sunset. Totally worth the mud, right?
Let's go fishing, buddy!
That sounds like a great idea, Mischief.
Easy does it, buddy.
Oops, I'm in.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
I think I feel a nibble.
Just wait for it, Mischief.
I got one!
Great job, Mischief. This one's a big one. Pull hard, buddy.
We caught so many fish!
We'll have a feast.
Paddle faster, buddy.
We made it. Almost. Escaped. Barely.
That was too close!
Indeed it was, Mischief.
These small sticks will work great!
I'll get a larger log.
Perfect! Now light it! That's better.
Much warmer now.
smells delicious.
I can't wait to eat. Wow. This is so good. The best fish I've ever had.
And then I climbed the tallest tree.
Wow, that's amazing.
That was quite the adventure.
Indeed, a day to remember.
Look at all those stars.
Beautiful, aren't they?
Ready for another adventure, buddy?
Always, Miss Jeff.
Time has come, Bessie. No, please. I must get back to my children. The net. This will work.
You, leave her alone.
Get back.
Help. He's trying to eat. Help! 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 Ah! Crocodile!
All right, everyone, settle down. The morning meeting is now in session.
Goody, I love meetings.
What are we discussing today?
All right, Crocodile, this is the final point. Hold tighter, Pinky. He's almost secure. Got it, Cluck. This villain won't escape now. Well, that's it.
Bessie, are you okay?
We have returned, safe and sound.
Goody, I missed the mud.
It is good to be home. Look. Good morning, everyone. Time for breakfast.